Hey guys, what's up? I'm making a quick tutorial video on how to set up AI Bubble. As you can see right here, it asks for your Gemini API key. So far, I've only been using Gemini. I don't know if you can make another API key from maybe another bot, but I recommend Gemini because it's free. So the first thing you're gonna need when starting this application or using this extension, you're gonna need a Gemini API key. You need that 100%. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on Google right here, and you're gonna look up Google AI Studio. I'm gonna go right there. Should look like this. Press this little link here. I'm already logged in, so here you can sort of see like some of my information. What you would do is create API key. Let's say, yeah, let's call this like create project. Let's do like a new project. Let's call it hello there. We're gonna create that project. It's going through. Boom, it is now created. So now we have a new project. So here you can see we press projects, whatever. Free is going to look a little different, but it's pretty simple. Once you log in, you create your account with Google. It's free. So you're going to press on your project. You would only have one project if you're new to this. So you're just going to go here. Whatever. Let's actually close that out. And we're going to press create API key. Once you're here, you're just going to name your API key and just call it AI key. Name it whatever you want. This section doesn't really matter. It's going to generate the AI key for you. So give it a quick second. And boom, there you go. So you have an API key. Once you get this key, you're just gonna press this little button here, or you can highlight it all. You're just gonna press copy. Who's gonna copy it to your clipboard, and that's it. You're basically done for this section. You can just close this window out. You're just gonna grab this, and you're gonna paste it in there. There you go. And then for the name of your model, I have it recommended that you use this, a Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite. Very important you use this one. I mean, you can use others, but this one's free and you get 500 requests per day, which is definitely. So just go ahead and make this your exactly how I have it written here, lowercase. It will cause problems if you do not make everything lowercase. Dashes in between. Set it as 3.1, you're gonna be fine. Prompt style, you can change it to whatever you like. In the event that you do run out of requests per day, you can actually go back here to your AI Studio, and you can go to rate the limit right here. And then right here, you will actually see like everything you can use. So requests per day, peak requests per day. Here are all the models that you can get. This one right here is 14,000. If you press here, you have a first time setup. So it'll actually give you like all the, step-by-step instructions. I'm making a tutorial because maybe this is a little confusing. For shortcuts, so there's a feature that you can only access doing a shortcut. So to go to your shortcuts, you're gonna go press this little jigsaw up here. You're gonna go down to Manage Extensions. You're gonna go to, it may look a little different on your screen, but you're gonna go here on the left, and it's gonna say Keyboard Shortcuts. You're gonna press that, and then you're gonna find AI Bubble. Once you find AI Bubble, you're gonna want to create some sort of hotkey to these two. Forget about this one up here. Activate the extension. It's already on by default. So what you're gonna do is you ask AI about the selected text. If you're on Windows like I am, you can do Control-Shift-E. That's what I have it set for. It always has to be like something with Control-Shift and then some sort of other key. If not, it won't work. That's just how Chrome, it's just annoying. For snip and area and page, ask AI about it. Control-Shift-Q is what I have set for it. If you don't have this one turned on, if you don't have a shortcut for this, you will never be able to use this function. So, for example, let's go over here and we're gonna do Control-Shift-Q. Boom, you see this shows up. I'm gonna highlight it, and boom, it's gonna give me the answer. Let's turn off that transparent background so you can see what it really looks like. Here it is. Highlight that, and there, it's gonna show up like that. Let's see, anatomy, labeling, diagram, letters, no answers. So just so you can see the extent of this, you do Control-Shift-Q. Highlight this section right there like that. And then, it'll give you the answers for every letter. Pretty useful. That's basically it. I mean, if you like the extension, it's completely free. I don't steal any data from you. You can share it with your friends. And yeah, just give it a good review. I mean, once you do the setup and everything, you're pretty much going. Just remember to use Gemini 3.1 dash flash dash light. You can try the other ones. I don't know why that one didn't work for me. I'll definitely have to check that later. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and check out. Give it a thumbs up. 5 stars, please. Share it with your friends.